that little nice intro. If you guys like it, you can comment on my videos saying if you want me to make a little video about that, how to create one of those intros. It's pretty cool. But that's not what the video's on. Today's video is gonna be on a little way how to create your own URL shorter. Let me go on and you guys know bit.ly? I call it bit.ly or something. I made a little video on it. If I can drag this over here. So we'll go to www.bit.ly. Oh, I wish I spelled it right. What is this? Oh, I went into something later. But that's not it. Let's go to www.bit.ly. Now, ly is just an extension, but you guys know what this is, right? I created some of these. It's a little shortened URL, shorter. And there's actually a way you can create your own called Yourls, or Yours, yeah. And it's Yourls, and it's actually abbreviation for your own URL shorter. So to get this, you want to first have your own URL or a little free hosting. Just for now, I already have one, and I'm using one called tu-ly.co.nr, tu-ly.co.nr. I'm not gonna get into it since it shows my IP address though, but I'm gonna block that off. But you want to create something at 00 web host or something, and then you can use that for now. And then you want to go to Google and type in Yourls, yours, your own URL shortener. And it's a little, you can download it, and it gives you a little script. You can download it. It's a PHP. I go to Yours. I open this up, and then you can save all the stuff there. And then let's log into my nope, I'm actually working on a little website, but I'll pause the video and get back to you once I put in all my information. Alright, so I'm back here. I'm in the little one I made, which is tu-ly.heribo or something, but I created a little co.nr for that. And we're going to go into the FTP details, and we're not going to go into that because it shows my password. But yeah, so let's open up FileZilla, and then I already have this stuff ready. You guys can't even tell my password. That's not it. That's my thing. tu-ly connect. So now I'm connected, and if I go to public HTML, whoops, I have to reconnect again. I hate when that does it. Just disconnects me all of a sudden. There it goes. Public HTML. It's taking a very long time. Alright, so the connection is timing out. There we go. Oh, thank God. So now we have all this information that we downloaded before from that, and we can just put it in here. And then to set it up, you want to create a little MySQL database. Pretty easy with 00 web host. And then once you do that, you're going to get it, and then you're going to go into, if I can quickly open it up again. Downloads. Yeah. Alright, so let's close this off for a minute. And now you want to go in, before you drag everything and upload it to your server, you want to go to include, and you're going to see this thing called config-sample. You want to, here, just take this out, actually. So, let's extract this. You're going to have to extract it. It's going to be in here. We're going to extract this from my desktop. Haven't got WinZip yet, but I'm going to get that soon. So you want to extract everything in there, and let this load up. And that was actually a bad idea since I actually did that. So I'm going to create a new folder called Yours. I don't really care if I spelled it wrong. So let's create everything in here. And then I'm just going to drag this in here. And this in here, refresh, and then I don't know why I've been doing that. And now we got everything in this little folder right here. Open this up. So now we can edit the config. So you want to go to include, and you want to right click and click rename, and call it config. That's it, because it's gonna ask you to rename it, and then you're gonna click edit with Notepad, and this is where you're gonna put in your username for your database password, then the name for your database. This is the user. I think I said it right. Your host is gonna give you the host, and you leave this simple, and you can just leave this alone. Now this, you want to replace this for your website. Do not any slashes or anything because it adds the slashes in there. Now this is where you can tell if you want unique URLs, and you can set the true or false. It says set the false to allow multiple short URLs pointing to the same long URL, and you can make it private or public. I'm gonna leave mine to a private, and I'll probably create one. Now to get into your site, you want to create a little username. Let's say mine will be Chris. Whoops, it's case sensitive. You can create 2 usernames. There's no 3, and I can create So yeah, that's my password. Just click save, and then you can drag everything then into your probably yeah. Oh no. Then you can drag everything into here. You don't need to drag the whole folder. But then once you get into it, let's say I want to go into what I created, www.pu-ly.co.nr. It's gonna give you this, the index of. For some reason, it always gives me the index of. I can't change it off, but then I can get into Atom, and then have everything here. So then to create one, you can go into here. We can create www. Let's go to my new form that's coming out soon. It's gonna come out probably today. I'm working on it right now. Tweakedforms.info, and I'll create a little thing called forms. Showing this URL. Just click refresh. It doesn't take a matter. Go back to Atom, and then you get this. And now how to use it? If you just go to here and type in forms, it's gonna say that, but then it's gonna come up to here. This is not it though, but this is it. But I'm still working on it. It's actually working on GoDaddy right now. So that's how you use it. You can go back to here. So let's say I create one called 9. 9's going to redirect me to my YouTube channel. But since I'm using .co.nr, if I was using the non-redirectional, just change the whole URL will change. But yeah, that's how you create a little URL shorter. Please subscribe, rate, and comment. This is pretty helpful. If you want me to get into more detail, just comment or leave me a text at you can text me at 45300 plus your message to 22333. I have that in there. So there you go, guys. That's how you create a little URL shorter with Yourls. If you look here, your own URL shorter. Please subscribe, rate, and comment, and also I'll do an update once the tweet forms is up, and you guys can start joining on that. So there you go, guys. Thank you very much.